You're fine. Like, because this is actually like at this level, so even if you hit this, it's not going to do anything.
How near can someone go near the goalie?
See the blue area around them? It's called the crease, and technically you're not supposed to be in that crease. Like, another player can't, but like another player can't just be standing there, but they can be like. When the puck is in play, then yes, they can be. Like, like you'll see. I mean, like the other players will come straight and knock into everything anyway, but
Technically, they shouldn't be.
yeah, like. The crease is it's similar to like the goalie in football.
Alright.
So you know that like space.
Can't really score from there.
I mean, you can score from there. You can score as long as you get the puck in the goal. But it's that blue crease is like similar to what in football what the goalie's area is.
Get that. Is this sort of like trading someone for someone?
They do it when they have like oh great Kevin. When one team is having like a power play or something, or they want to bring an extra like a extra scorer on the ice. What? I've never heard that. I don't think so.
Ultimately, yes, one check is technically not allowed. Surely then it's best to have cross check unless it was to use that instance.
Yeah. Get back! Okay, so if a puck did that, and it went from, like, it past both red lines without one of the without someone touching it. It's called an icing, and they'd have like a face off for that.
Okay. So if someone kicks it over 2 lines without anyone over here, so it's 2 lines and then you get a face off again.
If no one touched it before, but someone touched it. So wait, did they? Yeah, the goalie came out and touched it. So. Come on, Meg. The goalie has done that to tell the players that are on the ice who don't know, who haven't seen the clock or something. That lets them know that the player who came out or who had the penalty is now back on the ice, and that the opposite team is now back to full strength.
Okay. That's nice. Good job. Is that standard practice in all hockey games?
Some goalies don't do it, but most do, because that way they
People know
know.
what's happening. People know what hit them.
Yeah. Because a lot of times they're just concentrating on playing and not. Fantastic. That was a nice thing. Good job, Raj. Raj likes to get into fights. Or play a bit dirty.
Oh, the Canadians, they're like this.
Well... just Raj.
He always like that at games.
Way to go, Raj! He is out of the game.
He's just got a 5 minute.
5-minute penalty, really? They threw him out because he probably argued. It's Raj, remember?
Is he always arguing the game?
He does argue quite a bit.
Sometimes he's even right.
He's gone. Cross check to the head. Raj!
What?
He's cross check is like basically smacking on the head.
He smacks someone in the head? He smacks someone in the head?
Probably. I didn't see quite.
Oh yeah, violence.
At least we didn't get a shutout, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You could at least take
Yeah,
one
wait.
like less than
Raj, here, can you hang onto this? Cause
Yep. Is this routine that he gets thrown off the game?
I don't think he's definitely like a fight the game before. It's because he likes to talk back.
Alright. To the referee or to people in general? Okay. Do you play?
I only started like last year.
This year? Oh wow. What made you want to join though? What made you want to join?
Like, and then it turned out to work.
Yeah. Your balancing must be really good then. I don't think I can run in that thin ice. Get used to it.
It's the final minute of play. 1 minute remaining.
Had to make sure that Roger didn't stay down there just in case. They're on power play anyway. On power play.
Oh. Should I stop it?
That's the game. Yep.
Okay.